Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Liya's Journal. Today I'm gonna share a perfect and unique recipe which goes with ARIPATHIRI'S chicken curry. So without any further ado, let's get started. At first I have taken here 500 grams of chicken, some coriander leaves, 3 onions chopped, 3 tomatoes, some garlic, ginger and 6 chilies. Heat the pan and add some coconut oil to it. Now add the onions and saute it. Add some salt. Add the rest of the ingredients starting from tomatoes. Give it a mix. Add the chilies according to your needs. Ginger and garlic. And give it all a good mix. To this add half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon coriander powder. Mix the flavors nicely. Let's add the chicken to it. And mingle it up. For freshness, add some coriander leaves. In low flame, let's cook it for 10 minutes. Here it is ready. Now let's add some lemon juice to it. Some more coriander leaves. Moving forward, place 2 plantain leaves like this. On top of it, add a decent amount of curry. And wrap it like the way I'm doing it. Just like a coin pouch. By using a twine or a strand from the plantain leaf, tie a knot on the curry. Repeat the procedure in different leaves until the mixture finishes. Place it all in a steam pot, also known as adachambu, and steam it. So here it is ready, all steamed. The curries are all ready to be served with ARIPATHIRI'S. Let me know your views about this recipe in the comment section below.